In my pockets, you can call it turtle power.
Hey guys, so seeing as we've just hit 1,000 subscribers and also being so close to Christmas, I thought I'll give back to you guys. So thank you for all your support. What I'm going to be doing is giving away a set of Alphard MM60 mids, which is PA style mid, and they retail at $69.99. So if you want a chance of entering this giveaway, all you got to do is subscribe to the channel, comment on this video, and go over to my Instagram and follow me there at GregFagan160. I really appreciate all of you who have got me to this point. It's been about 4 or 5 months that I've had the channel going, and to hit 1,000 in that time, it blows my mind. So I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a good Christmas and New Year. So till next time, catch you later. So the giveaway will end next Monday on the 18th of December. I'll be live streaming a video of using a random name generator to pick the winner. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And once again, thanks a lot.